The second question of exercise 1.2 is, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on up to 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. So what is given? So we are given with set A. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Yes, R is a relation. So they have told us that R is a relation and it is defined as is square of on set A. So now what we have to do? Write R as a subset of A cross A. So we have to write R as a subset of A cross A. So for that, first we'll find A cross A. So I have already done it here. A cross A. So I have written the elements of A and again the elements of A. So we have to cross this. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and it goes on up to 1, 45. So in the same way we have to write for all the elements. So I have written it here. Yes. Yes, understood students? So I have found A cross A up to 45. That is 45, 1, 45, 2, 45, 3, 45, 4, 45, 5, 45, 6 and up to 45, 45. So next, write A as a subset of A cross A. So we have found A cross A now. So next we'll find what is R. That is our relation. So R is equal to is square of on A. So R is equal to is square of on A. Yes. So what is the relation? We have to square the elements of A now. Yes. So R is equal to set of all. So what is square of on A? So what is the first element of A? It is 1, right? So I'm writing 1 here. Then the relation is square of on A. So I'm squaring this 1. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So the next element is 2. So square of 2 is 2 square. 2 cross 2. So 2 2s are 4. So square of 2 is 4. Next, the next element is 3. So square of 3 is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So square of 3 is 9. So in the same way, the next element is 4. So 4 square is 4 4s are 16. Next, 5. 5 square. 5 5s are 25. Next, 6. 6 6 are 36. So what is the next element after 6? 7, right? That is 7 square. 7 7s are 49. So if we take the element 7, the square number of 7 is 49, which is greater than 45. Our set A is, it starts from 1 and it goes on up to 45. But if we take the element 7, the square of 7 is 49. It is more than 45. So I cannot include the element 7 here. So I am closing the bracket. Understood, students? Now I have found the relation, that is R. So the ordered pairs of relation are 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25 and 6, 36. Yes. So next what we have to find? Also find the domain and range of R. So we have to find the domain and range of R. So first we'll find the domain. So what is domain? So domain is nothing but the first element of all ordered pairs. So what are the first elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the first elements, yes, all the elements of the ordered pairs of relation R is called the domain. I'll repeat it again. First element of all ordered pairs of the relation is called the domain. So I'm writing it here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes. So next we'll move on to range. So what is range? The second elements of all ordered pairs of relation is called the range. So what are the second elements? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. So we have found domain and range. Yes. Thank you.